welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making potato salad, so stay tuned. Here I am with my 6 potatoes for my potato salad, my 4 eggs, green peppers, red peppers, and yellow, and I have an onion. So here I am now with my potatoes. I peel and dice them. I put it in my boiling water. I'm going to cover it back. So my hard-boiled egg is ready now. Finished cooking, it takes me 15 minutes and they're done. So I'm going to wait for my potato. Alright? All done, so I'm draining it. Now I'm going to throw in my egg inside and my potato. My red pepper. My green pepper. And my yellow pepper. Now I'm putting in my onions. And my mayonnaise. I'm going to be mixing everything together now. I'm going to put a pinch of black pepper and a little salt to taste. Then I'm going to give it a mix up, you know. With everything, make everything go together. And this can share to about 4 or 5 people. It depends on the amount of people eat. You know, some people eat a lot, some people don't. Now my potato salad is all done.